Here I have the Bissell Featherweight vacuum. So this vacuum is small, but it works very, very, very well. So what's really cool about it is just the way that you can actually get this underneath furniture really, really easily. I know people have been concerned on whether or not you can lay this flat and get it underneath stuff. So we've got a very small opening here to get under this piece of furniture holding the TV. And you can see that it goes in easily. We've got some hardwood tile type flooring here, and it doesn't leave any scratches or anything like that. The bottom is more of a like rubber casing here. So we'll go ahead and pull this up here. You can see here that the bottom doesn't have the hairs that stick out of there like normal. So it's more of like a rubber opening there. It's got 4 wheels. It easily sucks up dog hair and any other debris that you've got floating around in your home. So overall, really convenient vacuum. It's a 15-foot cord, so you can get pretty far from the outlet, and you got the on and off switch here. So awesome vacuum, works very well.